Konnichiwa!
Welcome to our Japan trip, everyone!
Okay guys, we're just outside the famous Tokyo Central train station, where we'll be boarding the Shinkansen, also known as the bullet train, to Osaka. A little fun fact to start off. Tokyo Central train station is over 100 years old. It is the busiest station in Japan in terms of scheduled trains, with more than 4,000 trains arriving and departing daily. On average, more than 500,000 people pass through the station each day. The Shinkansen is known as the bullet train because of its impressive speed and its bullet-like shape of its front design. It can reach a top speed of 320 km per hour, making travel between destinations very quickly. However, this incredible speed does come at a cost. We purchased our one-way tickets on the spot, costing us 14,920 yen per adult and 7,450 yen per child. It's quite pricey, especially since we will need to buy return tickets in a week's time to get back to Tokyo. On the upside, this journey from Tokyo to Osaka will only take us around 2 hours and 40 minutes, saving us a lot of travel time. Okay, this is our bullet train that will be boarding soon to Osaka. It's scheduled to depart at 1:09 p.m. once train has been cleaned. Here's a little tip. Make sure you allow enough time to get to the platform, as Shinkansen trains depart on time, and you do not want to miss your train. In terms of baggage regulation, each person are allowed to bring up to 2 pieces of baggage on board free of charge. However, for each baggage it cannot exceed 2 meters in length and no more than 30 kilo. For oversized baggage, be sure to reserve a seat designated for it before boarding. These seats are usually located at the back of each carriage, where you can store your oversized baggage in the area behind your reserved seat. Baggage with total dimension of 160 centimeters or less can be stored on the luggage rack. Or, as we notice, some people place their baggage in front of their legs if there's enough leg room. Good news for those who love to eat and snacks. Eating, snacking and drinking is allowed on the bullet train. Make sure to buy enough food and drinks at the station before boarding.
May I have your attention, please? In the compartment of the reserved seat car, the space at the back is an oversized baggage area. The baggage corner next to wash basin is an oversized baggage compartment. These are only available to passengers who have made a reservation. Passengers who have not made a reservation will not be able to use it. Please use the overhead rack. Please be careful when you put your baggage on the overhead rack, as it may fall.
Did I mention there's free Wi-Fi? Yes, Bullet Train offers free Wi-Fi for those who need to stay connected while traveling.
Hey guys, just a quick one before we continue with the video. A lot of you that are watching are not yet subscribed, so if you are enjoying this video and want to see more coverage of us traveling around, then please do subscribe. Also, hit the thumbs up button, it will help us with the YouTube algorithm. Okay guys, I'm not going to take up too much of your time, so let's get back to the video.
Here we are waiting to change trains to Osaka Nipponbashi, where we'll check into the S-Lead Hotel, our home for the next few days. Okay guys, we're in Osaka and this is S-Lead Hotel. This is our bathroom. Oh, it's got a washing machine right here. Nice, we can wash our clothes. Here's the bathroom. This is the toilet. Jenny's in there at the moment. And here we also got a little kitchen. Microwave. And this is our bedroom.
Hi.
We got 2 double bed, I believe. Okay, and closet here for our clothes and luggage. And yeah, pretty basic, nice, bigger than the hotel we had in Tokyo. And our balcony. Okay, that's our balcony. There's another building in the front there. Okay, cool. Wow, nice Ferrari. As we are close by Dotonbori, we decided to go check it out, explore a little bit before calling it a night. Dotonbori is famous for its lively atmosphere, bright neon lights, massive billboards, and the family's favorite, countless delicious places to eat. Oh, that's the same Ferrari we saw before. That is one nice car. Here you see the family waiting to order one of the most popular dishes in Osaka, takoyaki. Takoyaki is a Japanese street food made of crispy battered balls filled with octopus, which are usually topped with takoyaki sauce, bonito flakes and seaweed. Unfortunately, I didn't like it, but the family thinks it's amazing. If you're a seafood lover, it's definitely a must try when here in Osaka.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button.
Until next time, take care. Bye for now. Peace.